Welcome to this video. Today we are going to explore how you can manage notifications in the Tumblr app directly on your phone. Notifications can quickly become overwhelming, especially when you receive alerts for every like, reblog, or message. First, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon at the top right. Then click on Account Settings. Inside the account settings, select Notifications. Here you will see many categories, such as notes, followers, messages, and other types of notifications. Simply switch off any category that you do not want to receive, and you will instantly reduce the number of unnecessary alerts on your device. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.